Mama.
Hi, baby.
How are you? Tell me, what was the first impression you had of me when you first met me?
I felt that I'd known you forever. And I think it was the same
It
with
was.
you.
With you, I felt instant comfort and I felt a feeling of home.
The biggest surprise that we got was a year, I think, after they were married. Gautam and Kajal walked in. They said, we went to the Bombay gym and we met your friends. And this gave you this letter for you. And both my husband and I were surprised. We said, wow, why would somebody give a letter to them for us? And it was a letter which was from our future grandchild, which is Neil, to us.
Mama.
Telling us that he was arriving. So I still feel very emotional about that. Yeah. But it was in the middle of COVID, so we were also very worried about that. We didn't see Neil for 2 days, till you came home.
Yeah.
But Kajal, as usual, went through it with great aplomb. But I do have one very serious problem with you, beta.
What?
I mean, it's all very well, this I'm proud of you and all, but I do not like your paparazzi. I hate them and I will not be exposed to them. Do you understand?
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
So Gautam is lucky to have you as his wife.
How sweet
You
you are.
feed him well.
We are lucky to have you as our mom.
Oh, thank you. I'm very excited to watch this new film I've heard about in which Kajal is going to be a moralistic cop.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా ఐఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.